How can you tell if a number is even or odd?
After dividing the number by 2, if the remainder is 0, then it is even. And if the remainder is 1, then it is odd.
Correct. You said if remainder is 0, then it's even.
Yeah, I did.
Now, look how a program is made for this condition.
Hey, we use this function to take inputs and then store it in a variable as a number.
Correct. Next line now.
Alright, now we divide the number by 2 to see if the remainder is 0 using modulus.
Good.
Does Mr. Python understand what the word if means?
Yep, he does, just like he understands else.
Mr. Python has this exciting feature. We call it an if-else program.
Oh yes, we use it to give logics in the form of programs.
Whoa! We can make programs which can take decisions. That's cool. So how does this program work?
Next to the if word, we write the condition.
If it's true, then Mr. Python moves to the next line.
And then Mr. Python just executes it.
It was obvious. But when...
I know! When condition is false, Mr. Python executes what's written under else.
My boy!
Let's check for 5. Amazing! It works the way we wanted. Let me try with an even number this time. Else, it'll bug me for the rest of the day.
Never forget the colons after the condition and the word else.
Okay,